Hey everybody, CindyALewis here. Welcome to the Friday giveaway for December 12th. Today I am giving away this super cute stamp set. It is so cute. Look at that. And so somebody that entered last Friday, starting last Friday, has a chance to win it. So let's see how many entries we have. Okay, here is the URL. You can enter, it is by Friday giveaway. So I'm going to type that in. All right, and let's see. Okay, we've got Friday giveaway in there for it to look for. And we're going to get the YouTube comments, and it is 64. And let's see who wins. And the winner is Lori H. Congratulations, Lori H. You will love this stamp set. It's so pretty. So if you want to enter the Friday giveaway, next Friday, December 19th, are some really fun sentiment stamps. All of these on one sheet. Look at that. And so to enter, you have to be 18 or older, U.S. or Canada. My entry words are Friday giveaway, and you do have to be a subscriber to my channel. So I hope you'll enter to win that next Friday, and you have all week to do it. So have a great weekend, and I hope you get a lot of your shopping done. Thanks so much for watching.